Okay, good morning students. So as we have been doing communication skills part A unit 1. So today also we will continue with communication skills, that is unit 1. So from here today we are going to have our concepts clear on sentences, types of sentences, parts of speech, okay, then article writing, then format of article writing, then structure of an article writing. So let us do what are sentences. So what is a sentence? A sentence is a set of words that is complete in itself and typically containing a subject and a predicate. It conveys a statement, question mark, exclamation or command and consisting of a main clause and sometimes one or more subordinate clauses. So what are sentences? It is a set of words, okay, which is complete in itself and it consists a subject and a predicate. Alright. So let us come to know the four types of sentences. Now you can see over here, okay, we have four types of sentences, and as in this session, in this year question paper, that is in 2020. So these four types of sentences came in the final board exam, okay, which consists of 2 marks. That means half marks each type of sentences was given. So what are the different four types of sentences? First one is declarative sentence, which tells something, that is, and it ends with a period. Okay, then next one is interrogative, means asking question, which ends with a question mark. Then exclamatory sentence, again which shows a strong feeling and it ends with a exclamation mark. Then imperative sentence, which gives a command and ends with a period or an exclamation mark. Then next we have is part of speech. Now what are the part of speech? As you have already got in your English classes. So here a part of speech is a category to which a word is assigned in accordance with its syntactic functions. In English, the main parts of speech are noun, pronoun, adjective, determiner, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. So the following figure represents the 8 parts of speech. So you may get a question, what are the part of speech and what are the different 8 parts of speech, okay. So you have to write this as your answer. Alright, as I told you that here you basically will get questions from 2 marks, okay. So first one is verb, then second one is noun, then adverb, adjective, pronoun, preposition, conjunction and interjection. So these are the different 8 parts of speech. The following link will help to reinforce the concept. So here we have a YouTube link over here, okay. Clicking on each will give you a more clarity on the different parts of speech. Alright. The next one is article writing. Now what is article writing? So article writing is the process of creating a fiction, non-fiction text about current or recent news, items of general interest or specific topics. Now article writing is actually a process of creating a non-fictitious text, okay, about some current or some recent news, okay, of any general interest or any specific topic, as I think you have already done in your English class. So how to write an article, same way here we have a the format of how to write an article, okay. All this comes under written communication. All right. So picture of an article is given here, okay. You can see here, okay, how it is given. Do stains increase the risk of developing statins increase the risk of developing diabetes. So this is an article and how it is written over here, you can see. So let us come to know about the format of article. Now what is the format? First you have to write the topic of the article, that means on what topic you are writing and by whom. Then you have to give the introduction of the topic, which includes meaning and the present status, okay. Then causes of the topic if it is a problem, then statistics of the topic, that means problem if you know what is causing the problem, okay. So you have to write it, okay. What is the current statistic, like just now as we are having the COVID-19, yes, the statistics, the recent statistics of how many has affected, okay. What is the statistics of death, how many have recovered, all this you can write over there, Then you have to write advantages and disadvantages of the topic, that means of the problem. Okay, and conclusion with warning. So you have to conclude with a warning, message, advice or steps required. The same way you have a link over here which will help you in the format of writing an article. So it may come, okay, write an article on any given topic, or what are the different steps involved in writing an article. So it may come of 2 marks. Okay, so please go through the format. Then next is the structure of an article. So what is the structure? Firstly, it should have the title, okay, which engages the reader and catchy, and it should be catchy and proactive. The next one is introduction, where you have to introduce the topic which engages the reader, okay, and usually poses a question to be answered at the end of the article. So you have to put a question so that it gathers, it catches the interest of the reader, and then you have to answer that question in the follow-up. Then main body, you have to develop ideas, okay, positive aspects and negative aspects, that means advantages and disadvantages, and conclusion to give answer to your previous question, that means which you have already asked in the introduction. So to give your opinion, that means your POV, that is point of view, okay, and then you have to conclude. Alright, so this is how the structure of an article is actually. Alright, so here after this video I'll be giving you 2 assignments. First one is on types of sentences. You have to identify the different types of sentences, and then you have to write an article on a given topic. Alright, so please complete your work and submit me, and at the same time keep learning. Alright, thank you.